Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Theresa Novak Spiritual Quest, the website, as well as the Offering Tree booking site. So while they're two different sites, they are used in conjunction with each other. So one site links to the other one, and that is how you book a class or a membership. So when you're on the website, Theresa Novak or tnovakspiritualquest.com, this is going to be the home page. There are a couple of ways that you can go about booking a class or looking at the website. So if you were interested in yoga, you can click the Yoga I Can Do button here. Same thing with Timbo and any of the other options underneath here. You can also go to memberships if you're interested in purchasing a membership. You can purchase that this way. And so the monthly membership is $50 per month, and it allows you to access unlimited classes, video library, and sound meditation library for 1 month from the time you purchase the package. That is good for all offerings except for the Timbo offerings. The packages down here are available for people who are going through financial hardship. And there is a Buy Me a Coffee regular and a Buy Me a Coffee large option, which is $3 and $5 respectively. So this is one credit, and that credit is handy for any one class, one video, or any other recording on the website. So you can't use them for Timbo again, and you also won't be able to use them to purchase anything more than one item. So if you're ready to purchase a membership, you'll just hit Buy Now, enter in your email and your password if you have an account. If you don't have an account, it will ask you to log in. And then you'll just put in your name and your card number and hit purchase down at the bottom, and you're set to go. You can also click Book Now. The Book Now button is going to take you to Theresa Novak Spiritual Quest, the Offering Tree website. On here, you can book classes. You'll also have your own login and your own user dashboard. So let's say you want to take Yoga I Can Do chair yoga on the 4th of October. So you'd hit register, scroll down here and register again. So it's going to ask you for your name and your email. If you have a membership, the order summary will say $0 as the total because it already is aware that you don't have to pay. So that's great. Now for the first week from October 3rd to October 10th, you have the option to purchase a free class. So you'll use the code free class in all capital letters. And again, that goes from October 3rd to October 10th. You'll type in free class and then hit apply. And so that will take care of the $11 charge, and you'll hit register. So this is a confirmation that's sent to your email. You can also choose to add this to your calendar. And if you look up here, I've got that little one in my inbox. And then you can scroll down to join the meeting. Now, let's say it's a couple days later and you are ready to join the meeting, but you have lost this page. You're no longer on this page. So you can either go into your email at the top, find the email confirmation and click join meeting, or you can come back to Theresa Novak Spiritual Quest.offeringtree.com or start from Theresa's website and click Book Now. And again, that will take you to her website. Click on the profile here and log in. And then you'll click your user dashboard, and this will have your profile information with all the registrations you have. So if it's October 4th and it's chair yoga, you can hit view registration. Scroll down to the bottom, and again, there is the join meeting information button. So when you're ready, you can join the meeting that way. If we go back to our dashboard here, you can also check your purchase packages, your membership information, purchased items, so if you've purchased anything from the store, your payment methods, and your general account information. So I'm just going to go back to the site here. If you wanted to purchase a store item, it's about the same. You just hit buy, and then your name and your order summary will come up here, and you'll just add your credit card information again with Stripe and hit buy. Now, if you have a profile with Theresa, then you'll be able to see your payment methods in here. So Offering Tree will save your payment method for the next time you want to purchase a class, a membership, or a package. If you have questions, please ask Theresa. Send an email to her through this contact area down at the bottom. You also find that on her website under contact here, and this will send an email directly to her. There's also her Facebook page as well if you have questions.